developed this vision for pet grooming parlors about 2 years back when I started a few parlors in India, in Chennai, in Ahmedabad, in Delhi, which became real successful models. Today, the people who opened one parlor have got 4-5 parlors. It's the same way as the ladies' parlor business, which was started in the year 1982 by Shehnaz Hussain. And today, nobody really knows or understands what's the basic turnover of that industry in India. How many people have been employed in that industry as such. So same is my vision. In the next 2 to 3 years, we would have a pet parlor at every 10th urban street of India. And you can imagine how much of entrepreneurship will go into it, how much job employment will go into it. Now, you can easily open a parlor, but now to run a parlor, you need trained groomers. So our first thing now was to open a training school, a grooming training school. So we have got an affiliation with world's leading Chinese grooming school, affiliated with the American Society. They have come here to help us to inaugurate the first international school in India, in Hyderabad. So that's where we are. This training will be for a period of 3 weeks, and a lot of parlors will open in the very near future, and a lot of people will be trained here in the very near future. We have worked out a very, very economical package so that we encourage the business of pet grooming to grow in India. In the packages, we have got 4 packages. The first one is a starter package at just 39,900, and the next major package will be at a package of 1,60,000, which would also include training. So in an entrepreneur wanting to get into this business with an investment of just 1,60,000, we see a return of about 30 to 40,000 rupees a month on that package. And we'll be giving training free for a period of 3 weeks. My vision is that every pet in India should be well groomed, because when any pet owner goes home, the first one to greet him is his pet. And he would like to see his pet well groomed and running onto him.